welcome back to our channel. My name is Lanisha, and on this channel you can find anything from wellness to productivity to clean beauty and all that jazz. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how to organize your desk space. No more cluttered desk, no more disorganization. Let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do is to declutter. Who else has a whole bunch of sticky notes on their desk? Me. So that's one of the first things you can do when you're decluttering. Take off all those sticky notes. You're probably not going to need all of them. Put them somewhere else or finally deal with whatever's on them. If you have a quote or something that's really resonating with you at the time, you can keep it there. But you want to limit it to no more than 2 sticky notes because it's just too much for your brain to constantly register. Our eyes are always picking up what's in front of us, so even if you don't consciously realize how many things you have, your subconscious is going to be picking up on that, and low-key you're going to start to get overwhelmed. So it's best to have a more minimalist approach. Another way you can declutter is to store all of your pens in a jar or container. You can organize it by pens, then you can have a section for markers and highlighters, or even all of your thumbtacks like I have. I don't know why I have so many. They be coming in handy though. The next thing you want to do to organize your desk space is to save space. In this step, you want to clear out all of the essentials such as headphones and books and journals that you can place near your desk, just not on top of your desk where you're constantly seeing it and when it's constantly taking up space. You can keep 1 to 2 notebooks or journals on your desk, but you don't want to have more than that. Because let's be honest, are you using all of those journals every single day? So by clearing out all of the non-essentials on your desk, you can make room for your laptop or your computer and room for when you want to write. If you're not sure what is an essential item, I suggest clearing everything off of your desk and only picking up what you actually need throughout the week, and then whatever you pick up in that week is your essential. Whatever you didn't pick up, you can place into a storage bin nearby or underneath your desk. You also want to keep space for your dominant side, so if you're right-handed, you want to have enough space on the right side of your desk so that you can write down what you need to write down. Or if you're left-handed, you'll do the opposite. Keep everything on the left side of your desk empty so you can write down everything. Lastly is the Marie Kondo technique. Add items that bring joy. Make sure it's a few items. So, for example, if you have your favorite plant, put your plant there on your desk if you have room. You can add a candle. You can add another item that brings out your personality. For me, it's my Polaroid. But that's about it. You don't want to have too many because, like I said earlier, your eyes are going to be picking up on all of these things all the time, and it's low-key going to get you overwhelmed and you're not even going to realize it. So, less is more. Concentrate on what brings you joy and all of the essentials that you need. Thank you all for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I hope these tips will help you have a more organized desk and have a more overall productive life. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!